I have a few of these large vases that I don't need anymore, so I decided to use them as a pot so I could see the soil and root formation and see if they need watering as well. I used this diamond glass drill to drill a hole. It's not easy, but if you persevere, you'll get there. First, I need to scratch the surface of the glass because the drill bit doesn't stay. It wanders all around. As you see, it takes time to make the drill stay in one spot. I need to slow the drill as well to create a spot where it stays. I could have used a clamp to hold the glass, but I used my garden bed to hold the vase instead. Buried the vase halfway, then I continued drilling. Some of the YouTube tutorials made it look so easy to do this, but it took me 8 minutes. 8 minutes to drill this hole. This vase, because glass wall is thick. If you notice, I drilled the side of the vase too, for the same reason that the bottom is too thick. The drill keeps wandering, as you see, moving and scratching the glass. So I put more pressure on the drill to create a ring on the glass. Finally, I managed to create that ring, so the drill stopped wandering and moving, and now I'm ready to create the hole. Importantly, do not forget your water spray to avoid burning up your diamond drill, and lubricates the glass as well, make it easier to drill. This is now fast forwarding, like I said, 8 minutes. Patience, patience. And finally, we have a hole. Before I started drilling, I tried to do this trick by placing an electric tape so the diamond tip bit doesn't move, but it didn't work. The best trick is still to scratch the surface, alternate your drill to slow and fast until you create a ring for the drill bit to stay drilling. This glass jar is smaller, and because I will be drilling the bottom, it's so much easier to drill. Still, it took me 3 minutes to make that hole. The same procedure as I did back then, bury the glass jar into my garden bed to hold it still, but do not forget to wear gloves like I did. Firstly, again, scratch the glass, control the drill to slow and fast alternately, and spray water as you go. Clean your diamond drill bit as soon as you finish. Here is how I cleaned mine. Time to clean up these glasses and transplant my monstera plant into the vase. I lined the vase with pebbles before I fill it up with soil. Then I wanted to test the drain as well, if it works. Of course it does. In goes the plant. Now I don't have to keep guessing if my plant needs water. Can you see what I see? I wanted to make sure there's good drainage. See the water dripping out? decided to put some plants in this little boy. I have the lucky bamboo that's been in a water vase for a while, with its roots ready to be potted. Drainage look good. So here they are, ladies and gentlemen, my recycled jars turned into pots for my indoor plants. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share and subscribe and enjoy recycling and drilling holes. This is Corina Van Elsen. Have a lovely day.